Have you ever looked at one of our distro plates and thought to yourself, what if that was the case? Well, a great philosopher of our time once said, life finds a way. So if you're looking for a gorgeous, unique case to house your next incredible custom water-cooled creation, then let me introduce you to our new case. Hey there, I'm Sarah from Thermaltake Australia, and this is the Thermaltake Distrocase. An innovative, multifunctional mid-tower case that certainly stands out from the crowd. The Distrocase is 567mm high, 333mm wide, and 490mm deep. The Distrocase is much like our insanely popular Core P3, with an open frame design and a 5mm thick removable tempered glass panel on one side. The entire main body of the chassis is one giant Distroplate, made with SPCC and PMMA, which ensures extended durability and reliability. The plate has its own incorporated water channels, a pre-installed D5 pump, multiple inlets and outlets, as well as a reservoir fitting roughly 800mm of coolant. The case also features 48 LEDs, allowing you to create stunning, unique lighting effects via our RGB Plus or Neon Maker software, or also via your motherboard software. Just because the entire main body of the case is one giant distro plate doesn't mean we haven't left tons of space for you to run all the sorts of hardware you want as well. You can run a CPU cooler with a max height of 130mm, as well as a PSU of up to 200mm in length. Additionally, you can run up to an ATX size motherboard and a graphics card of up to 320mm, even with a reservoir and radiator. Of course, to nobody's surprise, this case was designed for water cooling. You can run up to a 360mm radiator at the front, or even up to a 360mm radiator mounted onto the distro plate itself. The Distrocase has been designed with G 1/4" inlets and outlets, which support all the most popular fittings. This provides you with plenty of options to design your custom loop in a way that suits you. On top of all that, the case comes with a variety of special features that make this case feel truly unique. It comes with a PSU shroud to tuck away all those unsightly cables, as well as placement options for up to 6 2.5-inch SSDs or 2 3.5-inch HDDs. The case also has space behind your motherboard, with options for cable management and routing to help keep your build looking clean and cable-free. The distro case also comes with rotational PCIe slots, allowing you to display your graphics card either vertically or horizontally. Finally, the case also has handy I/O ports on the top, with 2 USB 3.0 and 2 USB 2.0 ports in an easy-to-access location. So if you're a builder who wants to create your next water-cooled statement piece, then the Distrocase is the perfect case for you. This dismantleable modular case has everything you need to build your next incredible water-cooled creation, wrapped up neatly in a case with a unique, gorgeous look that is sure to impress. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, remember to leave us a like and pop any thoughts or questions you may have in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and ding the bell to be notified each and every time we upload. And while you're still hanging around, make sure to check out either of these two Thermaltake videos beside me. We'll see you next time.